So let's get started. If you guys also want to make your name public on Spotlight videos in Snapchat just like this one to get more and more number of subscribers on your public profile in Snapchat, just follow these simple steps.
Access to adult money, which means
And if you don't know how you can make a public profile on Snapchat for free, you can check the video link given in the description. So for now, open the Snapchat application, go to profile section and then go to settings. In settings, scroll down till the very end. Here you can find an option naming Spotlight and Snap Map. Just tap on that option. So in this top of that option, you will see an option naming Show My Name. So just turn on this option to make your name visible on Spotlight videos and our stories. And make sure you have already made a public profile on Snapchat so that you can gain a lot of subscribers through Spotlight videos. And you can also check the video link given in the description how you can make your content viral on Spotlight. So hope this video will help you, and if it does, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button.